welcome back to WePlayLife. I'm Lhugueny.
I'm WD40.
And today we are going for a ride on the Jurassic World helicopter around the Kailua coast here on the big island of Hawaii. So let's get our Jurassic Park theme songs rolling in the heads and start this party. Dun 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 dun. Here we are. So I really wanted to wear my, I have like an Alan Grant costume from Jurassic Park, even though this is Jurassic World, but we have to wear dark clothes, and that's like bright white pants and a blue shirt that's pretty bright and a red scarf. So I couldn't wear that because it would block the reflection in the helicopter, and I also want to wear the hat, but apparently it gets sucked up from the propellers. So had to keep the cosplay at home today and take it easy. But you know, you gotta make the most of situations, and sometimes you gotta tuck away your inner nerd to brighten the experience as hard as that can be. Behind us, if you look right over there, you can see there's another helicopter they have parked, but that's not the actual one we're flying in. That's the A-Star, but we're flying in the EcoStar, which is the official Jurassic World helicopter. You're also going to see some like sights and shit, but I just want to see the helicopter. Jump in there. emergency gear off here. But yeah, that was
so
epic. I'm really disoriented. I didn't feel
Yeah.
airsick at all. It's more like when as soon as we hit the ground, I was like, what the hell?
Unfortunately, I did feel quite airsick, but nonetheless, it is completely worth it. That was a surreal experience. The views were just spectacular,
Yeah,
so incredible.
that was epic. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, insanely awesome, so beautiful. Man, so that was insanely epic. We just got off the helicopter. We did some pretty heavy G-force turns there. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but I think WD-40 here got a little G-force sickness, which is
yeah,
totally
it's
natural.
A little woozy, but as I said, totally worth it. Highly, highly recommended. If you ever come to the Big Island, it is a must.
Yeah, you see parts of the Big Island of Hawaii that there's no way that you would be able to see them by car or by hike. I mean, some of those waterfalls were just insane. So definitely recommend come check out Blue Hawaiian Helicopters while you're here. Ask for Tom. He's the man. He's a great pilot. And so anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up rating, leave a comment below. We read them all the time, and follow us on social media. And did I say subscribe? Subscribe, because we have more videos coming soon. It's free. Come on, what do you got to lose? Anyway, till next time, I'm Lhugueny.
I'm WD-40. Peace out, guys.
Peace out.